I'm not going to stay for Ultra anymore. I'm going with my friends instead.
Are you serious? You have this planned out for all this weekend. What, you never spend time with me?
I like going with my friends better than you.
No, you always do this. We plan out something, then you turn the plans down.
We can go next week, I swear.
No.
Evelyn, what's my order?
Look at them. They don't look like a good couple.
I know. Hashtag toxic.
I think they should break up because their relationship is toxic.
Should I break up with her, Tony?
Yes, you should because you can spend more time with us.
What do you think, John?
Yeah.
Are you okay? No. He turned out our plans out again. I'm tired of him turning down our plans.
Why did he turn down your plans?
Because he'd rather go spend time with his friends.
Are you gonna break up with him?
I don't know at this point.
Oh, did y'all get the text from the sleepover? Yes, we did. What time should we come over?
At 8 p.m.
Okay, we'll be there early.
Bye. Can't wait to see y'all.
How was y'all day?
It was good.
How was yours?
It was alright.
Nice.
Hey guys, I'm getting hungry. How about y'all?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I ordered some pizza.
Alright.
I'll be right back.
So what y'all want to talk about? Y'all want to play a game? Yeah, I want to play truth or dare or something. Sure.
Okay.
Who wants first?
Okay, so the pizza should be here in 15 to 20 minutes.
Alright, we play truth or dare.
Okay, I'm down.
You want me to go first or something? Yeah, go first. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Is it true that you and David?
Yeah.
So what happened?
So we had plans to go to the state fair, but he wanted to go with his friends instead.
I mean, relationships be tough sometimes and stuff like that.
Yeah, but this is different though. Who wants to go next?
Oh, you want that next? Yeah, sure. Okay, truth or dare? Dare.
I dare you to tell me who you
I like this boy. He was tall. He got dark brown hair.
Does he go to our school?
Yeah.
Is he in our grade?
Yeah.
Do we know him?
Yeah.
I thought you were supposed to be with David.
No, we haven't seen each other since we left the state fair. Why?
Because he told me he would be with you and Tony.
No, I haven't seen him. Sorry. There you go.
Taking her so long.
I don't know. Want to check?
Yeah. Oh, never mind. Here she comes. What happened?
I saw John and he told me he hasn't seen David since the state fair.
What? He lied to you?
I don't know. I think he did.
I think you should call him.
Yeah, I'm gonna call him because he just lied to my face saying he was gonna be.
Let me have 3 weeks. All right.
David, where are you?
I was your friends, what?
Because I saw John and Tony. They gave me some pizza.
Some pizza? Okay, okay.
What you mean you don't care?
What you mean? Hold on. Sorry, I'm always calling me up. I'm calling right back.
Oh, I have an emergency, so you already. Okay. Hello?
Hey, Andrew. Hey, Angel.
Yeah, I'm free. Why you asking?
Well, I wanted you to meet up at the state fair.
All right, I can come with you.
I bet. Call me when you get.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave because like I'm gonna be busy for right now.
Okay then. Well, bye.
Bye.
You're forgetting your stuff.
Oh. Bye.
Bye.
Suspicious. I don't know, y'all. What you think of her? She's acting suspicious.
She really is acting weird.
Who called her?
It was really an emergency, I guess.
Yeah.
Do you think it's the bullshit she was talking about?
I
Or it was
think
something
so.
You don't think the boy is though?
But she said she don't talk to him.
So how he got her number?
I wonder who is it.
Dang.